If you live in Sugarland, you know how challenging it can be to keep your home comfortable year-round. Long, hot summers and fluctuating temperatures put constant pressure on your air conditioning system and your energy bills. One of the most effective ways homeowners in Sugarland can improve comfort while lowering energy costs is through vinyl window replacement. Modern vinyl windows are designed specifically to reduce energy loss, making them an excellent upgrade for homes in this climate. Why old windows hurt energy efficiency? Many homes in Sugarland still have older windows with single panes, worn seals, or warped frames. These windows allow outside heat to enter during summer and let cool air escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Even small gaps or inefficient glass can significantly increase monthly energy bills. Drafty windows also cause uneven indoor temperatures, making some rooms feel hotter than others. Replacing outdated windows addresses these issues at the source. How vinyl windows reduce heat transfer? Vinyl window replacement improves energy efficiency by minimizing heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. Vinyl frames are naturally insulating and do not conduct heat like aluminum frames do. This helps keep the hot Texas air outside where it belongs. Most modern vinyl windows also feature double pane or triple pane glass, with insulating gas sealed between the panes. This layered construction creates a barrier that slows heat movement, helping your home stay cooler even during peak summer temperatures in Sugarland. Low-E glass makes a big difference. Many vinyl replacement windows include low-E, low emissivity, glass, which reflects heat away from your home while still allowing natural light inside. In Sugarland's sunny climate, low-E glass helps reduce solar heat gain without making rooms feel dark or closed in. This means your air conditioner doesn't have to run as often, which lowers energy consumption and extends the life of your HVAC system. Improved seals prevent air leaks. One of the biggest energy efficiency benefits of vinyl window replacement is improved sealing. New windows are custom fitted to your home and include advanced weather stripping that blocks air leaks. Vinyl frames resist warping, cracking, and swelling, even in high heat and humidity. This durability ensures a tight seal year after year, keeping conditioned air inside and outdoor air out. Lower energy bills for Sugarland homeowners. Because vinyl windows reduce heat gain and prevent air leakage, many homeowners notice a drop in energy bills soon after installation. Your cooling system doesn't need to work as hard to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, especially during Sugarland's hottest months. Over time, the energy savings can offset a significant portion of the cost of window replacement, making vinyl windows a smart long-term investment. Added comfort throughout your home. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Vinyl replacement windows help eliminate hot spots, reduce indoor drafts, and maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home. They also reduce outside noise, block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, and require very little maintenance. Unlike wood windows, vinyl won't rot or need repainting, making them ideal for busy homeowners. A smart upgrade for Sugarland homes. Vinyl window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to improve energy efficiency in Sugarland. With better insulation, advanced glass technology, and long-lasting seals, vinyl windows help keep your home cooler, more comfortable, and more affordable to maintain. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, upgrading to vinyl could make a noticeable difference in both your comfort and your monthly energy costs, especially in the Texas heat.